DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, weekly pidgin English when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na una country brother again when my name be Stanley Okocha. One Naija guy when he dey for Italy don come out say na big lie o for the news wey we dey hear from Italy, say the government for that side dey give people money. He talk am reach like that say not be raw money paper home dem dey give person, na ordinary paper when e be like checkbook na dem dey give make people share. Abeg make you give us the video make our people see am before I come add my own voice to the tori.
As everybody know, that must always come to poor. Wetin I come for today? Now this issue where they go around say people wey dey Europe say that they pay them so huge amount of money, and even we wey dey the Europe see they talk and say they pay us so amount. It may be true, it might not be true. I don't know. Europe big well, but for the city wey me I will talk about because that one me know about, which is Italy. I don't know how they play for Germany. I don't know how they play for France. I don't know how they play for Spain. So for my own region, for Perugia when I did, so my own region for Perugia, see as the money they come. I hear say some they pay them money cash, but I never see anybody they close to me where they be, because I ask question how far this way they happen, they don't pay you. And waiting me, waiting them this. I never see people come and say yes, they pay me so amount of money. And some people they come out for online, they say they give them 600 euro, 700 euro, 500 euro. I never see that one. But the one I see now will let on know. So on my way day home, make another allow people they talk so that some people careless talking and make no they make on they think say like this. See as it be. First of all, coming up the Perugia. See as the money be. This one are the money. I feel like open up, but you get some pin number to say I not feel exposed. Now so they be. You understand? So the pieces wait there here now. Wait, my show or something. I need to block some pin numbers. So as it be, 10 euro. So each one 10 euro. As the party they be 10 euro. So waiting there na 10 pieces, which is 100 euro. Then here waiting there here na 5 pieces. I don't already use some inside. I don't already tear some inside. You understand? So now so they be. You cut like this. You cut like this. Use and take buy something. For the city when I do. Now me know how far. Now, before this thing go reach your hand, first of all, if you get person with the Europe, that person not get document. Make you know say life not easy for them, I beg. I don't know how they present themselves, they give on us, say they be odogu, me one dick and me one. When if your brother or your sister not get document for Europe, make you know say life not easy for them. So before they give you this thing now with here, if you not get document, forget. You don't go reach your hand. You don't need to apply for it. And even when you apply for it, they will ask you questions like, they give me 150 euro. Which is this paper, not the money, not be this paper with they here. So you go the tear and one after the other. As it be now, so you take the tear and one by one, till they buy something. Now, before they give you this thing with they here, they will ask you some questions. And those questions you will answer them. If you not get to those things what they need, this no go reach your hand. So I wonder how some people take they come out. Even people when I know say they not get document, they will come and they talk say I don't cash money so amount. How I take cash am? No, they put themselves for trouble. No, they make people they demand money from one. Or no, so I not get anything. Oh, when you hear on that part, or not get shishi. Or they come for social media, they claim that son be big boy. Nothing there on my pocket. So make on keep quiet there and sit down one place. Waiting not day, no they claim say day. Me and you know say waiting not day. So why they call they use social media till they give one kind useless call or say one thing day. Or they make things they difficult one kind. No, make on they take them easy. Make on they when and why you're correct. And this now, they give me 150 for Nigerian currency, which is like 61 or 62,000 naira. Forget, as I call them now, 61 or 62,000 naira. People will say that big money for here. Now just small to raise and buy. But at all, fine. We understand. Now, Some people they give them 100, only one pack like this into 10, 100. Some they give them 200, some 150. How does they give this? And they go ask, like, who did for your family? You don't born, you don't marry. They'll try to know your number of family. And let me remind you again, you get the way you go get money rich, you get the way you go get money for this country. Then you go give you this thing. This thing has to just help some people if you say, their accounts not too balanced. People like we, they're not too balanced. So they need to check some kind of things. And we many will be say that they check whether I don't balance. You get some people will say if they go feed this thing, once they check your profile, they will look, say, no, this one will be this one get money. They don't even reason you. Because they know say for your account if they smell, the money with their account they smell. Some people say we get money, no go even bother to feed these things, they say that they find them to feed. Now we will be say we see the package, they won't come out, we need to seek assistance from them, need to help us. So I don't know where that thing for the come out. So I beg. On how they toss they give on our money. Make video, give me, I'll post them for you free. I don't go collect money. I'll post them for my platform. Educate people, let them know how this thing they play. No, they come on social media, let them know say they pay social amount of money. Where? How it happen? Where? We'll stop all these things. We'll make everything plain to them. If you don't get document, this thing, you know if you get them. So if you get person with there abroad, you don't get document, I beg. Not pull rope for a neck. But when shall pull rope for a neck based on the way they present his or herself to you. Because some people are mugu. Some people, if I go some people profile, if I go some people profile for Facebook, they are like millionaires. But reality, I know that they're there for front of supermarket, that they beg. I'm not laughing at them, no. I can never laugh at them. But when you go to their profile on Facebook, if they be your elder brother, I go say, my brother get money, you know what help me? Now lie. Now just picture life. Now just Facebook. Now that's just a social media life. But reality, I know most of them, they're there for front of supermarket, that they beg money, that they beg coins. So mind how you package to deceive.
Country people, shey una don see am. He say na 150 euro, which means one paper na 10 euro. He talk am like that, say not be say the money reach them dey use o, but na just to help them. So country people, abeg make we dey look the kind story wey we dey hear and dey filter am well before we go dey accept am. Otherwise, such story na our oga for communication. When be Oga Lai Mohammed they call fake news, make we try to avoid that. I beg you now. If this one are the first time when it be say you take they see our videos like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. And again, make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our video stories like this. Bye bye.
DJM TV.